everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday I did not post any videos because there was power cut in my home and I took trade before power cut and I exited in the mobile app. So I got only 3k only. I entered here 11:15 and suddenly the power went off and in mobile I logged out and I got only 3k. But yesterday was trending market. I will show you. This is daily chart of Banknifty. You can see yesterday from here high to low it was almost 1000 points. The smart people would have made money here, 1000 points, and they have exited here. And on huge reversal of 600 points reversal. That is also on smart buy. Buying, selling at high and buying at low price. Today I made 11,000 profit. It was showing me around 16k, but my stop loss got it and I got only 11,000. And my fund is only 32,000. Okay, how did I took the trade? I will show you. Let's go to 15 minutes chart. In morning only I noticed it was opening gap down. This is all my lines. It was drawn too many months or years. I follow these lines. This is all support and resistance lines, that's all, nothing is there. And I use the indicator CPR. Today morning there was a selling pressure, but you know the smart people will buy here around this support area. So I bought it and I made a 10,000 profit. It was showing 16,000 but 10,000. And I exited the trade here because it was not closing above the resistance. That's why I exited the trade. That's all for the day, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.